In this series of ours where we discuss some important burning issues of the current year, we are here again with another video. In the last video, we had spoken about contempt case of advocate Prashant Bhushan, and today we are going to talk about contempt case of comedian Kunal Kamra. Hi guys, I am Ayushi and welcome to Law Digest. So let's see what really happened in this case. Kunal Kamra is a stand-up comedian and he was pressed with charges of contempt of court. Now, what was the thing that he did? He again, just like Prashant Bhushan, had made certain tweets. Now, what were these tweets about? There was one image that he posted of the Supreme Court, and this image of the Supreme Court was colored with saffron with a flag of BJP. It was colored with the BJP flag, showing that the BJP has really captured the Supreme Court, or the Supreme Court listens to the BJP and the independence is being compromised. Then another tweet was where it was said that Supreme Court is the most supreme joke of the country. That was the another tweet that was made, and then further, it was followed by saying that who am I to scandalize the already scandalized? So, since he was making such tweets, there were comments on his tweets as to that his tweets are scandalous, and then he said, who am I to scandalize the already scandalized? These tweets were made by Kunal Kamra on instigation after the fact that Arnab Goswami was granted bail by the court. After that, Kunal Kamra started making these tweets. Now, what happened in the Arnab Goswami case has already been discussed in another video. You can go to the playlist section, most important happenings of 2020-2021, where you'll get to know what all really happened in the Arnab Goswami case to get a background here. Then further, how this case moved forward. Now, the Attorney General on the case, he initiated a criminal contempt proceeding against Kunal Kamra. How did he do that? And he has the authority under the Contempt of Courts Act. Under the Contempt of Court Act, the contempt has been defined under Section 2, where it says contempt can be either civil or criminal. Now, civil contempt is disobeying the order, decree, or judgment of the court, and criminal contempt is what it is about making such remarks that are scandalous, that something that lowers the uh, standing of the Supreme Court of the country. So now this action was initiated by the Attorney General under Section 15 of the Contempt of Court Act. Section 15 gives the power to an Attorney General, to Advocate General, or any other person who is authorized by him to initiate contempt proceedings against someone in case of a criminal contempt case. Then the Attorney General said that there was no apology or retraction that was made by Kunal Kamra. उन्होंने अपनी tweets को वापस नहीं लिया और कोई apology भी tender नहीं की, and he has attacked the Supreme Court without any justification. और ये जो बात है, this is punishable under the act. Now moving forward, what did the court observe? Court finally gave show cause notice to Kunal Kamra on December 18, 2020, to which what reply was given? He said that these tweets were made to draw attention to certain important matters that are important in the Indian democracy. That was why I was making these tweets. I wanted attention of the court towards these things, and they were not published to insult the court, and public faith in the judiciary cannot be shaken by criticism just because he says that he has just criticized the court fairly, and with the way that he has done it, it does not really shake the public faith. तो अब इस केस में क्या लॉज इन्वॉल्व हैं? सेक्शन 15 ऑफ द कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ कोर्ट एक्ट, जो हमने अभी पहले डिस्कस किया, जो पावर देता है एडवोकेट जनरल को, जो that includes the term attorney general as well, to initiate a contempt proceedings in case of a criminal contempt case. It gives the power to them to take cognizance in case of criminal contempt, and it is punishable with imprisonment up to a period of 6 months and also a fine of rupees 2000. So that is essentially the law that is involved in this particular case. With this, we come to the end of this video. Just in case you have any further doubts or queries, you can mention the same in the comment box below. And if you want to keep receiving notifications for such videos, you can subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon. You can also join us on Instagram, follow us on Instagram for more law related updates.